Alright, welcome back. As you can see on the screen, there is no news today, so gonna give you a quick update. I just typed this out, but for the weekly goals for me, 2 hours of back testing, at least 2 to 0 trades a week. I do not have to take a trade every week. 1 trade for the week will be really good enough. 2 trades, what we're expecting, but that is the idea. And for those trades, if I take them, I will review them for back testing. Obviously I will review those trades as well, but that is the weekly goal. Market right now just opened up. Seen in the beginning, fair value gap. One was filled, most likely have a rejection out of the second one. All right, so for me right now, it turned 9. 1 hour is pretty bullish if you're looking at the longitude of it. 5-minute consolidating. Just because there's no news, I'm not really waiting for anything to really happen. Yeah, I'm waiting for the price to tap into resistance, see if it wants to do a pullback from that, because there's not really any range within up here. From the beginning, I seen that it wanted to fill this 1 hour fair value gap. That's one thing I want to start looking up more. Going for targets inside of the 1 hour, and then managing the trade in a 5 or the 1. Maybe that could work. Not trying to switch everything up. Pretty bad if you keep switching shit up. You're not really gonna learn. If you keep trying to go to the new thing, be like somewhat delusional with it. So to the point where I truthfully believe that it's going to happen and it will happen. So that is a delusion I'm going to live in for a while. I'm not going to lie until it becomes reality. Alright, right now I kind of have an idea, just like a little prediction of the mind. This could, just because it had a little pullback, somewhat of a retracement from filling this little tiny fair value gap with another shelf. So if this pulls up, this could be the macro and this could be the micro. Alright, so right now my idea, I kind of marked off a order block for me. I usually use these, not really lines. Let me see how those go. Alright, to be honest, this was going to be the idea. If this candle pulled back, closing below here and opening, I would want to see a tap back into it. Maybe the order block one more time, maybe tap it, the entry of it, pull back down, boom, stomped in because it broke below once again. So basically this was the trade idea. To there or to right here was possibly the trade idea. Not really taking it because you clearly see it's about to finish at 1 candle, so most likely just a sporadic movement in the market. Don't really take those because they could be pullbacks, very crazy pullbacks for the final sweep to go up like so. This sweep, this fair value gap, did a huge pullback into the consolidation it had since somewhat of the opening. I just realized I marked off the wrong candle like an idiot, but we don't talk about that. Basically, let me analyze again. Analyzing. This idea was fucking destroyed at this candle. I didn't realize. I'm just not gonna talk about it. Oh my god. Anyways, yeah, it seems like it's pushing down. Tapped onto the fair value gap. Yeah, so we're just gonna see what happens. I mean, I ain't really getting into this trade, but this trade in my mind played out for me a little bit. It was pretty decent idea. It didn't tap into it, so presuming, seeing that it pulled back right at the very tap, bam, I'm out of the trade. But in my opinion, I feel like I should start taking some of my trade ideas because they're usually starting to play out more than the failing ideas. So I'm not here to take a trade. All right, not gonna lie, I think that's gonna be it for the video. And end of the session. It's almost 11. One of the earliest I ever stopped trading. I feel like I'm getting more used to leaving this ugly ass price action. You know what I mean? But anyways, even if it's moving, I don't care. Thank you for watching the random ass video. It's random as hell. I don't know how long it is. If you're at the very end, wow, dap me up, and that's pretty much it. Like the video, you can sub, join the journey. You know what I'm saying? But I'll talk to y'all guys later.